Hello students. Now we will discuss federalism. First of all, what is federalism? Okay, what is federalism? Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. Major changes made in the constitutions of Belgium was to reduce the power of the central government and to give this power to the regional government. Already we have discussed in power sharing. In 1993, regional government were given constitutional powers that were no longer dependent on the central government in our country. Belgium shifted from a unitary to a federal form of government. Okay, we have discussed in last chapter. In Sri Lanka, a unitary system where the national government has all the powers. All the powers. Tamil leaders want in Sri Lanka to become a federal system. To become a federal system. A federation has two levels of government. One is the government for the entire country, that is usually responsible for a few subjects of common national interest. Common national interest. The government at the level of provinces, second type, okay, the government at the level of provinces or state that look after much of the day to day administrating of their state. Both level of government enjoy their power independent of the other unitary system. Okay, both level of government enjoy their power independent of the other. Now we discuss unitary system. Either there is only one level of government or the sub units are subordinate to the central government. The central government can pass an order to the provincial or the local government. But in federal system, the central government cannot order the state government to do something. State government has power of its own for which it is not answerable to the central government. Both these governments are separately answerable to the people. Now, we will discuss the key features of the federalism. What are the key features of the federalism? First, there are two or more level of governments. There are two or more level of governments. Second, different tiers of government govern the same citizens, but each tier has its own jurisdiction in specific matters of legislature, taxation and administration. Legislature, taxation and administration. The jurisdiction, third one is the jurisdiction of the respective levels or tiers of government are specified in the constitution. Fourthly, the fundamental provisions of constitutions, the existence and authority of each tiers of government is the constitutionally guaranteed. Constitutionally guaranteed. Fifth one, court has or court have the power to interpret the constitutions and the power of different level of government. The high courts act an umpire if disputes arises between different level of government. Isn't it? The high court act as an umpire if disputes arises between different level of government. Sixth one, sources of revenue for each level of government are clearly specified to ensure its financial autonomy. Seventh one, the federal system has dual objectives to safeguard and promote unity of the country. Dual objectives to safeguard and promote unity of the country. By two kinds of routes, federalism have been formed. Remember it, by two kinds of routes, federalism have been formed. First one, independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit. Independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit. So, by pooling sovereignty and retaining identity increase their security. It is also called coming together federation. Coming together federation. Example of coming together federations just like USA, Switzerland and Australia. All states usually have equal power and strong vice versa. Second one is a large country decided to divide its power between the constituent states and the national government like your India, Spain, Belgium. So, this type of government is called holding together federation. Holding together federation. The central government tends to be more powerful, okay, vice versa, the state government. Some units are guaranteed special powers. Some units are guaranteed special powers.